In this video, we're going to show just how anyone can create their own remote control transmitter using any volt-free switch. All you'll need is an RF Solutions bogey board, any volt-free switch, a compatible RF Solutions receiver, and a power supply for your bogey board. The bogey board itself is 49 by 30.6mm, and there are two versions. An onboard power supply version, supplied power by a coin cell battery, and an external power input version. To get started, wire in your volt-free switches into your screw terminals. You can wire in up to 4 volt-free switches. If you're using the integrated power supply version, power is already supplied. And for the external power input version, supply a 4 to 24 volt power supply. And that's it, your bogey board can now transmit an RF signal. As a transmitter, bogey board has two ways of transmitting, set by the Jumperlink. When the Jumperlink is open, the board operates in a momentary action, meaning the board will continuously transmit for as long as you hold your volt-free switch. When the Jumperlink is closed, the board transmits by state change, meaning when I push my switch, this transmits a signal once, and when I push again, this transmits another signal. When the Jumperlink is set, you can place the bogey board into a secure enclosure. Here's an enclosure I've got for my integrated power supply version. If you're using a metal enclosure, like this one, ensuring the antenna is threaded outside of the enclosure will give best performance. Now I've created my transmitter using my bogey board, I'll now need to pair my switch to my RF Solutions receiver. When your receiver is in pairing mode, simply transmit a signal by pressing your volt-free switch. Once paired, that's it. Your bogey board can be placed wherever it is needed within range of your receiver, able to switch your paired relays. Your switch can achieve a range of up to 200 meters for the 433 MHz version, and up to 1 kilometer for the 868 MHz versions. If you have any questions on the bogey board, you can contact our support team on support@rfsolutions.co.uk. You can view the bogey board series, as well as a list of compatible RF receivers in the description. And to stay up to date with our latest RF solutions, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.